Hi, I'm Jason Lewis, Midday's Technophile. Today we'll be reviewing the Creative Stage V2 soundbar. Anyone who has ever used a TV will know that they are incapable of producing good sound. It is probably the reason why soundbars have gotten so popular. These speakers occupy minimum space and offer infinitely better sound than any TV out there. At first glance, the Creative Stage V2 looks like any other soundbar in the market. It does 2.1 audio, that is stereo sound plus a bass woofer. It is black like most soundbars, and the woofer, though heavy, seems to be too thin to be effective. But plug it in and this beast is ready to roar. The box comes with a remote, an auxiliary cable, a power cable and a USB-C. The subwoofer has a wire pre-attached, so while it is long, there is a limit to the distance you can keep it away from the main unit. The main unit itself comes with wall mount holes, so you can just install it in any wall if you like. There are several connectivity options with this speaker. You can connect it via HDMI ARC, optical, Bluetooth 5.0, auxiliary and USB. It produced good results regardless of the connection mode. The connection mode can be shifted using the remote. If you have multiple systems connected, this makes it very easy to switch. The USB-C port lets you connect it to a PC to be used as a speaker. I found this option very useful and it makes a great speaker for your computer as well. Though at 26.8 inches, it is a little large to be sitting under your monitor. The main speaker unit also has a bunch of controls on the right side, but handling the unit from the remote is a lot easier. With both music and movies, the Stage V2 produced exceptional audio quality. However, I did find the sound a little heavier on bass. Thankfully, the included remote lets you reduce the bass down to a more acceptable level. Needless to say, if you're into more bass-driven music, you would probably not want to do that. The sound produced by V2 was enough to fill a moderately sized room. I feel it might not perform as well in a large room above 600 square meters. While there is an option to simulate surround, I wouldn't use it in any scenario other than a movie or while gaming. It muddled the overall quality of the audio, so I mostly kept it off. The clear dialogue tech also worked in some cases better than it did in others. I felt the results were not consistent. When it does work, the results are great. Dialogues can be heard clearly, well above their background noise. You'll have to experiment and see which video works with it. Again, this is an option on the remote, so it's convenient to test it out. The Creative Stage V2 stands above any soundbar in its price range. Not only does it offer exceptional sound on a budget, but it also offers a range of connection options including Bluetooth and USB-C. The soundbar is available at Rs 999, which is a superb price for this product. If you're looking for great audio to go with your TV, or just a better computer speaker, this is a good budget experience. Well worth the asking price. This is your Technophile signing off until next time.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.